In this video, we're going to show you how to upload a file to an item in DesignerLogic. When you do that, it attaches that file to the item so you can always access it. You can also publish that file to the client portal so the client can access it. And this is good for things like warranties, care instructions that are PDF documents or Excel files and things like that. Now we're going to use this restoration hardware sofa as an example. You can either come over to the Edit Add menu and just click on File. And if you have the file available, you can just choose the upload link and then navigate to where the file is. And we'll just upload this warranty information here, hit Save Close. And that's going to attach that to the sofa. Now, if you go into the details for that sofa and we go over to Files, you can see that that warranty is now uploaded to this particular sofa. Now, if you don't have the file yet and you use the web clipper to clip this item off of the internet, you'll have this view item page link down here, which is where you clip the item from. So let's say we want to get care instructions for the sofa. We want to click, and we use the web clipper. We want to click view item page, and that will take us right back to the same page that we clipped the item from originally. And right here we can click fabric care, and this opens up the care instructions for the sofa. And what we're going to do is we're going to save this, and then we're going to use it as an upload. So we're going to save it right here to the living room as a PDF document, and then we can close that, and we can close the restoration hardware page. And back on the DesignerLogic item details page, if we go to the Edit Add menu at the top and we choose File, now we can hit this Choose File, and here we see the fabric care instructions right here. And we hit Save Close, and that uploads the file to this item right here, which will now enable us to publish this to the client portal so the client can access this right next to the sofa so they can get all this information in one place. And we'll show you that on another video.